So welcome students. In this question you're given that you have two fixed points minus 1 0 and 1 0. And you have 3 points A, B and C whose ratio of distances from 1 0 and minus 1 0 is 1:3. So all the 3 points satisfy this condition. And if that is so, what is the circumcenter of triangle ABC? That's the question. So for this question what I do is I have a standard statement in my theory which says that the locus of a point which maintains a constant ratio of distances from two given points is a circle. So if a point moves such that this ratio is maintained constant, that is 1:3 or any other constant. If this ratio is constant, then the point A has to move on a circle. That means all these points A, B, C lie on a circle. And if you want the circumcircle of triangle ABC, you just need to find that locus on which these 3 points lie. And that center is nothing but the circumcenter of the triangle. So what is the statement that I am using? Locus of points such that the ratio of distances from two fixed points is constant other than 1. If the ratio is 1, that is if the point is equidistant from these 2 points, the locus will be a perpendicular bisector. Any ratio other than 1 is a circle. That means all these points A, B, C which maintain the ratio 1:3 lie on that circle. And you're asked to find the circumcenter of that circle. So what I do is I'll try to find the locus of this point A and find the center of that circle. That will be the answer. So how do I find the locus? The ratio of these two distances, that is AQ by AP is equal to 1:3. This implies 9 times AQ square is equal to AP square. This implies 9 times AQ square is H minus 1 whole square plus 9 times K square is equal to H plus 1 whole square plus K square. So if you simplify this, you get 9 times 9H square plus 9K square minus 18H plus 9 is equal to H square plus K square plus 2H plus 1. This implies 8H square plus 8K square, 8H square plus 8K square minus 20H plus 8 is equal to 0. So this will be the locus, right? So if I write the actual locus equation, I'll replace H with X and K with Y. It is 8X square plus 8Y square minus 20X plus 8 is equal to 0. So the circumcenter of triangle ABC is nothing but the center of this circle because all the 3 points lie on this circle. So what is the center of this? To get the center, let me first convert this into standard form. I'll divide uniformly with 8. So x square plus y square minus 20 by 8 is nothing but 5 by 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if this is so, what is the center of this circle? So the circumcenter is nothing but 5 by 4 comma 0. So the center of the circle is 5 by 4 comma 0. That's the circumcenter of triangle ABC. Thank you.